front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and click on Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Automatic feature under Brightness slider. As you can see, my switcher is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!